Hey, it's the Cousins. We're here with Knauf Installation today. We're at a current renovation and we're installing EcoRoll.
EcoRoll is an awesome product that is super easy to work with, offers a ton of flexibility, and we're going to show you how to install it right now.
Take this room for example. There are a ton of windows. That means a lot less square footage. This is a perfect time for the EcoRoll.
So first thing you want to do, cut open the plastic packaging and let the roll expand. Then you want to take your measurements for each piece. John, this one's 27.5.
Once you have all your cuts, now it's time to fill the space and you're going to staple the craft paper to the studs.
Just repeat the process until all your walls are filled up. You'll have a cozy, temperature-controlled space in no time.
Thanks for watching. For more how-tos and quick tips, visit KnaufNorthAmerica.com.